In front of me is Oukitel WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sound and vibration. Following that, you need to scroll down and tap on vibration and haptics. Then use this switcher next to use vibration and haptics to switch it on or on. If you decided to enable them, you can use all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you're finished, go back, scroll down and use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!